Luxury custom bathrooms supplied and fitted in Kanata, Ontario, and surrounding areas. Are you growing tired of your outdated bathroom? Would you like a brand new bathroom installed by professionals? If so, you've come to the right place. Alba Home Services will design modern luxury bathroom ideas that are custom and luxurious to suit your taste in bathroom decor. Whether you are after your bathroom remodeling, or a nice bath, vanity basins, mirror, floor design, or accessories, we can design, supply, and fit your stunning custom luxury bathroom in the Kanata, Dunrobin, Stittsville, and Nepean areas covering K2T1C1 and K2M and surrounding areas. We will inspire you with our fabulous bathroom designs. Plus, we are proud to be the top local bathroom remodeling service, and we can help you design and install the modern bathroom of your dreams. We're fully insured and licensed, and we pride ourselves on being reliable, professional, and affordable. Contact us now for a free, no-obligation consultation on the remodeling of your bathroom.